Finally you come home, huh? Come up, anh này mở. Mình lại chọn đơn phật tục hành trở nè. Ching ching, stop it. Ching ching. Hello. Ok, mở tiếng mở. Ok, ok. You're doing so well. Hả? Một tiếng mở. Mẹ, đặt cái không thôi mấy cất. Mấy không thôi mấy. Hello. Good boy. Map mở, khát ấy tiệt ấy này. Không có tình má. Always be a sweet boy. Good boy. Please don't fight with your neighbor, okay? I'm tired of calling the vet for you. This is a gangster in our neighborhood. Always pick up the fight with other male. You are an alpha male, right? Look at the alpha male. Good boy. Always come home. Hurry. I need the tick and flea solution next. Maybe I have to go try to the city and find the tick and flea solution for him. He got a lot of flea. See, this big boy always got all over the body, but he's sweet to me. I promise you that I take care of you. I never let you sick alone, right? Say hello to all of our viewers. They worry about you. People, they worry about you, okay? Now you got better here. Everything is fine. You look nice and clean and healthy again. Good boy. Tonight don't fight, okay? You're not okay, right? Tonight don't fight. Just stay home for one night, okay? We got food and shelter for you to sleep. Why you have to fight with other cat? Huh? You want red food? We got red food. You want raw fish? We also got raw fish for you. Look at him. Okay. Country, this lemongrass is very important for the household with the cat because cat just love that. It's just like a detoxing the cat. When they feel unwell, they will come here to eat the lemongrass and they vomit. They just throw out all the toxic in their body. And you can see this is the bite mark. Everything they come to eat here every day. He waiting for the raw fish. We cannot let you eat when the kids are around. I'm bad he will pee on my door again. Yeah.